This is the main reason why eToro is not a scam. Watch the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to answer to a frequently asked question about eToro. Many people on the internet are asking if eToro is a scam or if it's legit and if their money are gonna be safe with this broker. Before starting, subscribe to my channel and watch the video until the end because I'm gonna give you a useful tip to succeed with copy trading on eToro. So my answer on this question is that eToro, it's not a scam, it's among the best brokers in the world, and I will show you why in a second. Here we are on their homepage, eToro.com. They have millions of customers from all around the world. Let's scroll down the page, and here at the bottom of their website we're gonna click for a regulation and license. So the very important thing you must look for when registering with a broker is its regulation and license. Why? The more regulated the broker, the more safe you will be. In this case, eToro's brokering services are provided by eToro Ltd and registered with CIF, Cypriot Investment Firm. Registration number is HE258 and it's regulated by Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CySEC. License number 10910. In the UK, eToro is regulated by FCA, the Financial and Conduct Authority, and in Australia is regulated by Corporations Act. So this broker is regulated by so many authorities that it's impossible that you will lose your money in fraudsters or scam activities. Okay, this is why this broker is among the best firms in the world. Your money will be safe on this platform. The only way you're gonna lose money with trading is because you don't have enough knowledge. I want to show you another proof why you will be extremely safe with eToro, and it concerns capital segregation. Okay, safeguarding of clients' assets. We keep our clients' funds and assets in segregated accounts such that the clients' funds and assets will be separated from our own assets. Such separation of account is being supervised both internally and externally, and we operate only with the reputable payment institutions and payment providers. So it means that if the broker is gonna fail, your money will be safe because they will not be put in their account. This is another extremely good proof that this broker is very good. I know that on the internet you will find many scams, but this is not the case. Another thing I want to show you is their open trades live. Okay, this huge number represents their open trades. They have millions of customers and traders operating with them every day, so you will be fine. You can trade with on many markets like forex, stocks, indexes, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. So you will have a very wide choice. Now, as promised you before at the beginning of the video, I will show you the main secret to succeed with copy trading. This is my test account where I test my copy trading strategies. I made a video where I explain you how to find the best eToro traders to copy. I will put the icon at the end of this video and the link below in the description. If you don't have an account on eToro. It's totally free. You can open clicking on the link below the title. So once you are in, on the left side you will click here on copy people. This is an example. So let's suppose you want to copy this guy. I don't know why, but the very important thing that people forget when they are about to copy a trader is to read their bio. So in this case, we're gonna read Mariano Pardo's bio. You will find it on the right side of the screen. So let's start. As you can see, next to the name we have the risk. It's 4. It goes from 1 to 10, so 4 is medium. Recommendation for better results: copying my portfolio. Choose to copy my open positions. Copy me with a minimum of $500. This is a very important indication, because you will find many traders that will tell you copy my open positions or don't copy my open positions and wait for a new one to be opened. It's very important to follow their instruction, because they know how they trade, you don't. So they are saving your money from mistakes. Another important data you have to look for is the copy amount. Okay, if you are going to invest $100, $200 your revenue it will be small at the end of the month and at the end of the year. I don't get why people are expecting to earn a lot of money just investing a few bucks. It's not gonna work like that. Trading is about math and statistics, so you must invest money. For sure, you must backtest and test your copy trading strategies and see if they are working. So let's continue our reading. I'm a low-risk long-term investor who trades mainly in technology, consumer goods, services, finance, and utilities. I use self-made software in order to obtain and categorize large amounts of data from each company, its competitors, its industries, and the markets in general. Then I apply data analysis and machine learning in order to obtain the intrinsic value of each company and project its growth rate. I combine this information with fundamental and quantitative analysis in order to make decisions. Using this strategy, I closed the last 4 years on eToro in profit, and during this time I consistently outperformed the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 indices. You can learn more about companies in my portfolio on inspectcompany.com. So this is a huge information, because this guy is telling you basically how he's trading and what he's trading. It's very important to know what the trader is trading, what he's focusing on, because you will find traders that have a diversified portfolio, or other guys and ladies that focus just on few assets. I found many traders that trade only, I don't know, commodities or pairs like Euro USD, and focus their energies on that asset. It makes all the difference in the world. So another thing you want to control is the trader's dashboard, and see if he's posting regularly and if he's interacting with his copiers. They usually explain why they open a trade, how their investments are going, their statistics, and many important numbers. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions and comments, leave them below. Subscribe to my channel, because you will find many useful information. I will upload more content and trading strategies if you are not interested to copy trading. I usually upload strategies for forex trading. I'm using online tools that are helping me and other people. So for today is everything. Hit the like button if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel. Have a good trading day. Bye bye.